Our chief guest has arrived, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri Mallu, Bhatti, Vikramarka garu.
This is an expo from FTCCI.
Our vision is very clear that IITEX
and a strong presence across the state, we remain committed to accelerating the adoption of renewable energy for homes, business, industries and institutions.
Aptly reflects India's vision of becoming a global manufacturing hub.
Please take this advantage and opportunity and come and invest here.
We deal with the energy efficiency and eco-friendly product of Bondada group.
స్విగ్గీలో ఫుడ్ ఎలా అయితే ఆర్డర్ చేసుకుంటారో సింపుల్గా ఎనీటైమ్ డీజిల్ యాప్లో యూ కెన్ ఆర్డర్ డీజిల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ టు యువర్ బిజినెసెస్.
We are Elmot PowerGen company based in Hyderabad, and we manufacture diesel generator sets.
General Manager and Zonal Head of Punjab National Bank, looking after two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, wherein we have 4 circles: Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam.
I am the founder and managing director of Truzon Solar, Suntech Energy Systems. We are doing solar projects for residential, commercial and industrial purpose.
Ledchip Indus Private Limited, and we are the only company in India manufacturing LED semiconductors.
I'm the CEO of Keystone Robotics. We build semi-automated and fully automated food cooking machines.